Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to swing trade, but with a full-time job. This is actually one of the most common questions that I get asked is how did I go from working full-time to becoming a full-time swing trader? So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and how to find opportunity, my strategies, my approach, my mindset, all that good stuff, we have a Black Friday sale going on because you guys have absolutely loved it for 51% off. So check it out down below, code Black Friday for 51% off. So check it out. It's awesome. So let's jump into this here. So like I said, this is a very, very common question that I get asked is, Carter, I want to swing trade. I do. But how do I go from working full-time to becoming a full-time swing trader? And there's a couple things you guys need to know beforehand. The first thing I want to talk about is expectations. A lot of people think that no matter what stock you buy, it's going to go up, that everything is just handed to them and it's an easy way to make money and quit your job and live on a beach in Costa Rica and, have a great rest of your life. Now, swing trading and trading is difficult. 85% of swing traders fail, right? And the mindset I've always had is if you actually look at the statistics, 85% of business owners fail. So, I know there is a huge correlation between the two because those who succeed in business have a game plan, they've been doing it, they have education, they have experience. And look at trading, right? 85% fail. The ones that succeed have a trading plan, have experience, have education. So you have to have that same mentality, right? Okay, I want to become a swing trader. I understand it's not easy. That's the first thing you need to think. After thinking that, you need to start learning. Learn as much as you can. Since you guys are watching this YouTube video, you're already taking that first step. Take a course. Check out my course. Code Black Friday, 51% off. But anyways, just start learning as much as you can. During this learning phase, I would highly recommend opening up a MOOMOO account. MOOMOO is a trading broker. It's a trading broker, so it's designed for traders. And why I love them is because they offer something called paper trading, which is simulated money so you can practice and build up a strategy. After you guys do that, and during that time, journal, document, and continue to learn from your mistakes, all that good stuff. Any good person that wants to succeed in life does, right? Review your trades, look how to improve, all that stuff. After that time, you don't jump into it. You don't quit your job and just go trade. No, you have to learn to trade with the job. So what does this entail? Trading with a full-time job entails setting alerts, understanding limit orders, market orders, and just being prepared, using aftermarket to your advantage. What does that mean? Scan for stocks after hours. Set up alerts where if you have the luxury of being able to go on a computer and do a quick trade, you're already in a great spot. So just being prepared for the market day is very, very important here. So let's look at a really good strategy that I absolutely love and one that really jump-started my swing trading. So let's turn to the computer and jump into this here. So this is a stock here that we recently took a position on. And we took a position on here this morning here. This is ticker symbol TXN. TXN here, what do we notice? It has that really, really nice upward trend. We have heavy support here on this trend line. So as we look at it, we want a minimum of 3 touches. So buying pressure, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5, and then recently 6 here. So, we have that good trend line where it has heavy support on this trend here, which is good. Another thing here that I think is important is looking at another indicator like the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. This pretty much tracks momentum. It helps you find a stock that has gotten buying pressure in the past at a certain price, right? So right here is trading for a 39. The last time it was trading for a 39 was back in here where we had this good move. Previous to that was in here where we had that good move. So, looking back at previous history is incredibly important here. And so this past, day, what we saw here and why I entered, is for a couple of reasons. I think it was just a purely undervalued play. And we do have, let's go ahead and kind of look at this here. We do have this little trend going right here. So this downward trend. Well, normally you don't want to get in on a downward trend, but I do think we could see a move from this lows at about 192 where we got in up to at least 196 to 200. Now, obviously, this is just a standard move, very similar to like what we saw in here. But I do think if we keep our stop losses tight, we keep our stop loss tight for a target up here, and we keep our stop loss here, it's a 3-to-1 risk and reward. And obviously, if we can get a breakout, that's where we could make some money here. If we can get a push back up to highs, obviously we're looking at 9-to-1 risk and reward. So I do think here this stock could work out very, very, very well. Just a pure 200-day moving average play, that red line here, and that trend line. So we have two supports, trends and moving average lines. You guys can see it used it in the past as support here. And I'm very, very excited for what the stock has. Small position, but we're just going to let this thing ride and see if we can get a move going in our direction here. But, at the end of the day, right, swing trading, you just gotta learn. You just gotta be prepared and practice and learn as much as you can. And I think if doing that will help separate you from other traders. So if you guys are watching this, there's a couple of things. Sign up with MOOMOO. Start paper trading, start small, work your way up, learn as much as you can, and just set alerts, be prepared, and just try to be the best trader that you can be. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys all enjoyed it, and take care, everyone. Have a good rest of your day.